Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video about Ethereum and whether or not it is on the cusp of breaking to new all-time highs. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future and let's dive right in. So September 22nd is when I posted a tweet about Ethereum essentially turning an old resistance on the monthly level to a new support. This was essentially a monthly candle close pullback to turn this support, or at least this level, into a support, and that was a retest attempt and successful retest there, and Ethereum would enjoy a green October. And indeed, this is exactly what we saw, a 20% move to revisit its old monthly highs right over here. I hope you got ready for that move on Phoenix because Ethereum broke out 24% towards the upside. A fantastic move by Ethereum to just reclaim an old monthly resistance which plagued Ethereum for so many months, now as a new support. So feel free to sign up using my link in the description down below to claim up to $1,100 sign up bonus on Phoenix. Feel free to check out the link in the description down below. This previous resistance, multi-month resistance, is now a new support because Ethereum has successfully retested that support and rallied to the next monthly region of resistance, and initially it is rejecting from this level. But what we're seeing here is great bullish momentum and great similarity with Bitcoin's price action. Just have a look at when we juxtapose these two charts, Ethereum on the left here and this on the right. So we're seeing consolidation inside this green to red range. Bitcoin is actually trying to break out beyond its range. It's trying to break past this red range high of 47,000, and Ethereum has rejected from here. So you can actually see that Ethereum is lagging a bit behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely leading the market. But if we move forward and look at the weekly time frame here, Ethereum was able to form a weekly higher low against its range here, rebounding around 24% towards the upside. And the thing with this 3,300 level is that Ethereum has broken beyond it quite comfortably in the past. Though it did get rejected here initially, but ultimately breaking back above it. So the way Ethereum functions around 3,300, it tends to break beyond it quite smoothly. In this case though, we haven't seen a trend acceleration just yet. But what we need to pay attention to here is that Ethereum has actually weekly candle closed above this level of 3,300 and is now in the process of retesting it as a support. Successful retest here, and Ethereum will trend accelerate, continue its rally to revisit these red highs where it's going to be challenging for that new all-time high. And the thing about that is that when we reached these new all-time highs back in April, May of this year, Ethereum experienced a sharp rejection and then a consolidation pattern in this falling wedge breakout, and revisited those same highs only to get rejected once again. But the thing about this rejection comparing to this rejection is that this rejection took much less time. It was much shallower than this rejection and this pullback, which took many weeks and was significantly deeper. What we're seeing here is a potential weakening of this red era resistance as a point of rejection. So a successful retest here would bring us back to these levels, and those levels might not be able to hold Ethereum back from breaking to new all-time highs. In any case, guys, that's about it for today's video update. Thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. And of course, like the video if you enjoyed this one and would like to see more market analysis on Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.